Jai Hind everyone. Today is the 57th day of recording the video in English to boost my communication skill. And I have improved a lot because of there after 3 days I will complete my challenge of the 60 days. And I want to inform you why I have started. So basically I have earlier told you I have eager for improving my communication skill, and also there is my AFSB in Guwahati 5 AFSB Guwahati is on a schedule at 12 January, and from 10 January I will take the bus from Kusmara to Itaba, and before reaching the Kusmara I will just pack my bag and know about the documents and check the documents, fulfill the required criteria of the documents that have provided in the SSB call letter. Basically it's AFSB call letter, and after that I will take the tempo from the Ramnagar and then reach to the Kusmara, and then I have took the government bus from Kusmara and reach to the Itaba, and then around at 12 a.m. there is a train which is called Northeast Express that will come, and then after around 30 hour of the journey, basically I have booked the sleeper second class lower berth and in the side of the window, and after that but currently my ticket has been booked of the RAAC, and so right now just I will took the seat and just enjoy the journey. I will see the villages of the India, like the culture of the India, because of through India you can see everything like the trees, the mountains, the pahads, pathas, and also like the culture of the people because of their traditions, the making of the house, and like how they are doing the farming. Because of in when I have go to the West Bengal and in Odisha, like I have seen the people they do farming not on a daily basis, not on a daily basis, or not in a not in a big farm, because of they divide the farm in a small pieces and then they did the farming. And when I was in January, in around 6 to 7 January, I have gone to Odisha and there was a farming. The initial phasing of the farming was pod, so pod has been made in the farming of the Odisha. But right now there is also a January, so in currently, and I have gone 1 year ago, but currently right now I have there is also a pause. There should be, because of the time is same, the month is same, but the only thing that have changed it is year. There was a 2025 and right now it's 2026. And also like when I reach the 5 FSC Guwahati, I will depart to the Kamakhya temple and also like the Kamakhya junction. So